What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let me just roll this window up a little bit. So we're back here for another install video, but for you Honda fans, this one's for you. My friend Rachel, she just recently got herself a new car. It's her first manual car too. It's a 2013 Honda Civic Si with the HFP kit. It's really nice. And as her first real mod to the car, she got a Skunk2 exhaust. So I'm at the garage right here. My buddy Matt, the one that you've seen in previous videos, the last video we raced and everything. Yeah, so he's gonna be installing the exhaust for her, and yeah, it should be really cool. So once she arrives, that's when we're actually gonna get started on doing this, and I'll make sure to document it. Hopefully you guys will see if it's an exhaust system that you would probably want to put on your car. So this is Rachel's car. Very nice. See, HFP. Looks pretty nice for a stock car, I would have to say. It's very nice for a Civic. And this is Rachel. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
And everybody knows Matt. Hello. So, yes, how excited are you? Exhaust.
Very excited. It's a big day.
This is your first manual car and you're putting exhaust. It's gonna be sick.
Modification.
Yeah. We're gonna do a before rev, since Matt's already in here. He's gonna do a rev. Bring it back. Probably just gonna hear wind noise, you know. Alright, whatever. Did you hear that? I didn't hear anything. Did you rev it? I see the line normal.
Okay, well, so yeah, am I allowed to be on your car? Yeah. I'm tripping, not tripping. I feel bad because I gotta do your car too long. Balancing takes so fucking fast, man. I can balance it, but obviously I can't because
The surgeons are here.
yeah. Okay, well,
Alright, time to chop away. Dr. Jesse's here, you know, ready for surgery.
yeah.
It's been a long time you haven't been in the vlogs, man.
I know. I disappeared.
Yeah?
Back
It's really nice, eh? The welds and everything is like good quality stuff.
now. Oh, when you pay for like real stuff, not eBay stuff, you can really tell.
Yeah. It's really nice.
Is this, wait, this is part of the
No, that's from something.
Just extra.
silencer?
The only thing that came with it was the silencer and then those things.
And the donut sauce.
Only in the winter.
Loud all the time. These nut?
Yeah, and then punch these out, and then put the new hardware in because you can't save that. So,
Oh yeah.
so I'm gonna heat it up, and yeah, we'll start with that.
Okay. Sounds
Shouldn't be
good.
so bad. So,
Yeah, seriously.
yeah.
Honda thing. Alright. Surgery time. Fire. Okay, so the stock exhaust is completely off. We're gonna hear it like straight pipe. Oh my god. Oh god, it doesn't sound good.
That's funny.
That
Sounds like a Civic.
no, yo Matt, how good?
It didn't sound like I thought it was going to sound.
Well, no, you have to rev it higher.
Yeah, no, but I didn't want to piss anyone off.
No, yeah, it'll sound like a more than one car.
Maybe piss somebody off.
Here we go, starting.
Like this. Oh my god. Step back. Oh, this is a muffler? Good job.
Oh, Rachel looks good from the back here.
Hey, Matt.
Oh, this is cute. This should be the picture for the video. The two of them holding it together. There you go. Sick. Pretty good.
The answer is clearly 8. You take away the 4, so the 4's not there anymore, and then what you have left, you have 8. The answer is 8!
Look at this teamwork right here. The surgeon and his nurse.
Yeah, Matt the nurse. I hold it there.
Just some good, good
like
pipe.
tight, so we have some more like movement.
Oh, how excited!
Very excited.
I'm very excited too, and yeah, it's not even my car. Makes me want to work on my car.
Think it'll be louder than your car, Matt?
Well, since I have an exhaust leak, probably not.
Yeah, whoever installed the exhaust.
No bueno.
No, it's too. They did it all wrong. Like, none of the hangers are on properly. I was like, yo, what the fuck? And this guy calls them a muffler shop. Like, what's wrong with him?
Rip.
Okay.
Oh, we're almost done already. Look at that.
Okay, so now. And it's been so fast.
That's what I was telling Rachel. It's gonna be faster to put this on than taking off the exhaust.
Exactly.
Look at that.
And then this is bad. Boy. Okay. Ow. Sorry. Fucking fingers.
Push your
Yeah, I didn't know
Turn
that
it.
way.
No. What are you doing?
Not you.
Oh, sorry, it's
Okay, there's one. So it's falling out. Turn it. Turn it. Hold it.
Pivot.
Yeah, that's good.
Pivot.
Hold it.
Oh yeah.
Get my little nut.
Trusty little nut.
Yo, Tim, what's up?
Oh.
How's it going? Yours almost done. Oh fuck, it's literally done. Yeah.
Oh, Jesse's here.
Oh. Jesse and the
Jesse.
bro.
Yo, is this your station, Jess? Huh? I want to see my OT license.
Oh yeah.
You want to slap and tickle here? Slap and tickle? I like a slap and tickle.
Oh. Heard it here first. Jesse likes to slap.
I'm not even holding it. I'm just leaning.
He's just here for support.
Here for moral comfort and support. It's okay, Jesse. You're not working on a Ford. Okay. Now we have to suck it all up.
It was finished.
Yeah. Now we got started. Check for exhaust leaks.
Oh, it's done. Yeah, what is this? Hey, doctor. Hey, Mr. Surgeon over here.
I know.
You got too excited.
I just want to hear this.
Yes, very crucial. Don't forget to put everything back the way it was. Jesus. All right, here we go. First start.
I like it. Hold on, I gotta fix the leaks.
Are you happy with the sound? Pretty good?
It's amazing.
Sounds pretty good, Matt.
Chloe.
Bye.
See you later.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Might say, yeah.
That's yours. That's your car.
We'll be back. It's amazing.
Close the video. Give a little rub. Little. Yeah, yeah.
Just a little?
Well, whatever you feel like. That's loud. Pretty cool.
Stinks, man.
New car exhaust smells.
Oh, that new smell.
Ooh. All right.
What? Yeah?
All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for tonight's video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Peace.